Hi there, I'm Kristen, a registered dietitian and the owner of Be Healthy Nutrition. Welcome to my channel. Here's something not many people know about me. I used to be a chemical engineer, and I worked in that occupation for 10 years. I decided to leave that profession to pursue nutrition instead. Some people think I'm crazy for leaving such a high-paying field, but I had my reasons. One of the reasons was that I found myself looking up nutrition information all the time and getting so confused about what I was reading. I just wanted to know the truth. Does that sound like you? I was drawn to nutrition more than engineering, and ultimately I made the life-changing decision to switch careers. Now I have answers to my questions, and through this channel, I'm eager to share my knowledge with you. I upload videos often. Topics include science-based myth-busting of controversial nutrition topics, tips on how to achieve your health goals, and healthy original recipes. Click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel today, and make sure to turn on the notifications so you'll be informed when I've posted new content.